Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the Cooking Nurse, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my Irish katogo with some leftover chicken thighs. So I had these two chicken thighs that I just chopped into 4 pieces each, yeah, so that they are this small. And then I have my Irish potatoes, I have some chunky chopped carrots, I have some broccoli, I have chopped garlic and onions, I have some fresh coriander, I have green capsicum, I have a zucchini, other people call it a courgette, and then I have these like blended tomatoes. I've ever showed you a small box that I used to chop tomatoes to this consistency, but if you don't have that one, you can use a blender or you just peel them and use them the way they are. So I'm going to be using this cream of chicken soup to thicken up and add more flavor, and then the forever never missing black pepper and paprika, and then I have some olive oil in the back. And that's all guys. This is gonna be for dinner, so I thought why not share. Maybe if someone has these ingredients, I could just make this beautiful meal. So I'm gonna go on with my olive oil first, and then I'll first brown my chicken on top, like on the oil. First of all, it's gonna release some of its oil, so it's not good to use a lot of it, and if it accumulates, you can just always decrease it. So we're gonna season it with some salt. Remember, this has been in the freezer for like 5 days, yeah, so it's a little bit more soft. So drizzle on some salt, black pepper and paprika, and it was actually good. It was seasoned to the bone. So yeah, if you have this or any other animal protein, or if you're not an animal protein eater, you can just skip that. But yeah, I just hoped I could share this recipe or this particular one pot meal wonder. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Leave me a comment. Make sure to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new uploads. And please don't skip ads. Let's make some money. The economy is really tight. Anyways, back here the chicken has dried out and it's like turned gold. So I'm just going to remove it and put it aside in a bowl. I ate 1 piece. So if I put back 6 or 7, please don't say, where's the 8th? I ate it. So I'm going to go in the same pan with my chopped garlic and onions. Man, the fragrance here, the aroma. I'm just going to keep on turning until they are translucent and aromatic. And then I'll go in with my chopped potatoes. My peeled chopped potatoes. These are the cabbage ones. They are hard, a little bit hard. So if you have the softer ones, they would make a bit better stew. So this was just a meal. Yeah, you can just use this same recipe and just make some chicken soup, some clear chicken soup. So add in my carrots. The reason I'm doing this is because these are like hard ones, so I want them to first absorb the flavors from the spices, and then I leave them on for a little while before adding in the rest of the ingredients. So now go in with the tomatoes. Yeah, I'm gonna link the video, I think, in the description box that has that chopping kitchen appliance. So guys, you see how it works. It's not a blender, but just drop in your vegetables and then pull and it's chopping. It's really so handy. If you can get it, the better, and it's not even expensive. So just keep on turning and stirring, and then we'll cover this for about 3 minutes and then come back later. So here we are. I'm going to be mixing my Knorr chicken soup. It's usually powder and it's usually in the supermarkets. Yeah, so I just happened to have this one, really. So I just thought, why not make some thick potato meal. So I'm gonna mix this, and then I'll add it into my pan. I'll add it into the pan and then just put back the chicken. Don't forget that remaining thing, the remaining juices. So just done. I think you can tell it's already thickening up. So I'm just gonna turn it in. The chicken, the reason I first fry it alone is because I want it firm. I don't want to have like a final thing that is so white and flavorless. So that's why I first fry it at first. But if you can't do that, just put everything in the pot and cook, no problem. Add in some little bit of water and then mix, and then I'll cover this and cook it on completely low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, the Irish I'm using is the hard type. It's the local one. It's like so hard, it takes a little bit of time to cook and doesn't really mash. So once the fork can go in like that, it means the Irish is almost ready. And if you've followed me for some time, you know I don't love overly cooked vegetables, though this happened. But yeah, I'm just going to be adding my vegetables at the end, like towards the end, and just mix a bit until they are ready. So I'll cover, and that steam usually softens them up. The carrots are cooked, the chicken is cooked, the Irish is cooked. So I just added in my capsicum, my broccoli, and the courgette or zucchini. So I'm just going to cover here and also wait for a little bit, like about 5 minutes or 3. Then just garnish with my fresh coriander leaves, and that's it. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching up until this time. I hope this video helps you if you're looking for inspo, and I just hope you stay around. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.